Hello, my cute little muffins. So, today's vlog is a bit weird because it is starting from 10 pm at night. My boyfriend and I was watching this series called Special Ops Season 1. My boyfriend had a very hard time convincing me to watch this because this is not my genre. And to convince me to make me happy, he ordered all this food from the Zepto cafe, garlic bread, poha, and all. And he also got me tiramisu because he knows I love having desserts a lot. And the stealer of this entire show was this Vietnamese cold coffee. It was a 10 on 10. Before anything, let me tell you, please avoid the mess in my room because I know I need to clean it. I'm procrastinating a lot. So this was the whole setup. And yeah, so we watched it. We watched quite a lot of episodes. This is so nice.
लोगों की माँ से
1, 2, 3.
A very good morning. I just woke up from sleep. You can understand by my voice. It's currently 1:10 p.m. now. I mean बहुत ज़्यादा late आज उठी हूँ मैं. I slept at around 4 or 5 I guess early in the morning after finishing a few of the episode of Special Ops and all. उसके बाद my boyfriend and I was discussing a lot of random things in life. ठीक है, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी के साथ a lot of मतलब both of our dreams and where we are planning to end up, our wedding and everything. Also Sayyara, we were discussing about Sayyara. Okay, the fact that how love can be so deep and all of that random stuff. तो सोते सोते it became so late. बट आई थॉट कि आज सुबह उठ के मुझे फिर से ये बोलना पड़ेगा कि वेलकम बैक टू अ नॉन फैंसी व्लॉग ऑफ अ गर्ल हु हैज़ लेफ्ट अ जॉब फॉर हर यूट्यूब ड्रीम. बट ऐसा नहीं है बिकॉज ही कॉल्ड मी अप जस्ट नाउ एंड सेड कि आज बहुत देर हो गई है, सो आई नो यू कांट कुक एंड ऑल, सो आई विल टेक यू टू लंच एंड ऑल्सो आई विल बाई यू फ्यू थिंग्स लाइक शॉपिंग के लिए बिकॉज Navratri, Durga Puja, they are all nearby. So I'm so happy. So I am not in the mood to get ready now. Not at all. So I am directly meeting you at the lunch spot. Okay, so we went to this shopping mall. It's literally 35 kilometers away from my home. So I was legit hungry and tired. First of all, we took this, Coke float from McD. It's after a long time that I am having McD. And I just felt so good. McD never disappoints. Okay, so I took this Chinese platter from Wow Momo. It's a garlic fried rice and chili chicken. It was average in taste. I won't say it's very good. See, this is the condition. He ordered the same rice bowl as I did, but he couldn't end up eating this. So this is another order from KFC. So this is to all the KFC fans. जो KFC के बिना, I mean, they can't live. So tell me, why did you order KFC when after
ये मैंने
ordering?
ट्रांसफर कर दिया यार.
Sorry?
मैंने आधा खाया, आधा ट्रांसफर कर दिया
Yeah,
यार.
this is transferred to me.
Finally.
Enjoy. Okay, so after eating, I went down to buy a shoe for myself. This is the first stop, like Bata. Bata has all other brands into it. I came across this brand known as Naturalizer. I googled them. Actually, I haven't heard of it before, but it's actually very famous abroad. my eyes caught this pair of neutral stilettos and I found it super pretty and super chic. I immediately thought of all the outfits that I can pair, and there was this big mirror where I looked at myself like my fit, and I felt that I had to take it, so there is no going back. And then I decided to invest in some other shoe, so I went to my second shoe stop, that's Catwalk. Now Catwalk gives this festive offer in which the collection is so pretty. I was very confused between these two pairs. Wait till the time I reach back home and I reveal actually which one I took. And I was very tired by then because I walked a lot, my heels started hurting, but still I had to enter Miniso because this is the girls place, right? So I took this air freshener because I felt this is very cute and the smell was so nice. I saw these facial Barbie and cute masks. Okay, so to be very honest, I don't think it will be of very use, but it was just cute, and being a girl I had to take it. Okay, so my boyfriend spotted this summer body mist. It's actually glittery and shimmery, and I'm very thankful to him that he found this, so I took this, and the rest will be revealed later, and I'm very happy I enjoyed shopping. Okay, hi guys, I just returned home. It's torrentially raining outside, like बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, and I am dead tired. Like I just freshened up myself and I thought to finally show you what are the things that I got. I say that I got this. I think you need to pierce it over here, and then there will be, it will act as a, you know, air freshener. The smell is so nice, like this. And I'll tell you this thing. Oh, this smells like heaven. It's shimmery. Let me just show you. This is glittery. If you're wearing any off-shoulder top or anything that will expose your hand and all, then you just need to spray it, and if you just rub it like this, it will give you a very nice smell and your body will sparkle. So this is really nice. Actually मैंने ना ये देखी नहीं थी, ठीक है? And then suddenly my boyfriend, I was seeing something else, and my boyfriend called me and he told कि you can take this, it will look good on you. So he is the one who has a damn taste, okay, when it comes to fashion or something like that. He is so good in taste. Like I believe him more than I believe in myself, and I'm so lucky for that. This is a hydrating facial mask. I just got this because of this Disney character. I love Snow White. I'll try it very soon on any self-care vlog of mine. I got this mini plant. Okay, this is from West Side. West Side has this home decor ka section on one side, and I got this from here. And I got more stuff from the home decor section because it all had a 50 to 60% off, like crazy discount, and I got them to decorate my house. And my home decoration, like my room decoration series, will start very soon. I'm already gathering things from Meesho and West Side, and at a very affordable. I'm only searching for affordable, you know, things, and I'm very excited to film, to, you know, show you guys and to make my space feel like home. So I got this nail polish remover again from Miniso. Polish remover to be so cute. See, it's in the smell, it's in the flavor of lavender. Oh god, and you know, it has wipes. I'll show you. I don't want to waste it though. Yeah, it has 30 wipes. This nail polish, it's a very pastel pink color. This is only of 70 rupees, and this is the color. Yeah, I love it. Again, a scented candle. This is how it looks. The smell is so nice. And yeah, the shoes. So this is the box from Catwalk. I'll show you. I told you that I was a bit confused between that two. Can you guess which one I took? Of course, this one. Just see this. I mean, this shoe, these wedges actually, these wedges are so pretty. I'll tell you the reason why I got this. See. Okay, I got this firstly because of the color. I love the color mixture, the color combination here. Okay, we have sea green, or I guess this is turquoise, light turquoise or sea green. I guess it's light turquoise, yeah. And then we have a baby pink, and then we have this, violet, and on the sole also we have some kind of this caramel textured. I love the entire combination of pastels and catwalk written on the top. I loved this, so there was no way I am going back. Is Bata. Now Bata has a lot of other brands inside them. So I took this from Naturalizer, as I already told. It's an international brand. I haven't heard that much, but I googled it because I really loved the pair, and I found that it's very famous, abroad. Maybe it's not famous here, but it's very famous abroad. So I got this nude stilettos because I'll show you. Wait. I got this nude stilettos because I loved this texture. It's giving that gladiator heels wala texture, and also the heel. I really love it. And the color is so soothing. It's nude, it's neutral, like it can go with literally any outfit. I have a lot of work, so this vlog is over to here. But if you are really excited for the room decor series and all, like how I'm decorating my bedroom, my kitchen space, my living space at a very, 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 very affordable price, do subscribe me. And if you're watching till here, trust me, you're my soulmate. And comment catwalk so that I know that you're the real one. And we will meet up very soon on some other vlog. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Toodles.
Like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the tide.